Angie, I understand that smart FoIP technology is what makes smart ATA smart. The last time you were here, you explained one aspect of smart FoIP, which I found very interesting. You were about to explain more, but I ran out of time. Now that things aren't quite so rushed, will you go ahead and finish your explanation?
Of course. I believe I explained how smart FoIP handles the late T38 reinvite problem.
Right. But the way they do it results in many more G711 pass-through FoIP calls, and isn't that problematic?
Wow. You really were listening. And yes, G711 based FoIP often results in partial or missing pages for longer faxes. Smart FoIP overcomes that problem too by making all multi-page faxes appear to be multiple single-page faxes.
How does that help?
Well, to tell you I have to issue a tech alert. Okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Well, it's little known fact that over decent IP networks, most G711 FoIP problems don't come from missing packets. It's actually related more to jitter buffer management. You see, in voice over IP, gateways use packet loss concealment techniques to smooth out the G711 stream. For voice, you can duplicate the last packet if necessary if one is missing, and you can throw away packets if the sender is going too fast. That becomes necessary if the clocks in the sending terminal, for example, are faster than the clocks in the gateway of the receiving fax terminal. But in fax calls, the jitter buffers must be fixed, no throwing packets away if the jitter buffer starts to get full. And it will either get full or run dry if the fax is long enough. So, you may remember that smart FoIP attaches V.21 modems to the media stream to solve the late T38 reinvite problem. Well, they leave them attached so they can determine when the sender is between pages. During that time, smart FoIP sends a signal to the buffer management software that says, "Hey, you can initialize your jitter buffer without upsetting the high-speed image modems, because they aren't running right now, since we are between pages." That's why with smart FoIP a 5-page fax looks like 5 single-page faxes as far as the jitter buffer is concerned. Problem solved.
Well, just like the other fix, that is clever yet simple. What else does smart FoIP do for me?
There are 3 major aspects to it. The third is that smart FoIP solves the V.34 integration problem, but that's another really geeky story for my next visit.